Yo, what is good, YouTube? We are back with another video. If you guys are not in the free Discord, go join it. It is the first link down below. We're going to be going over how to find the draw on liquidity on the higher time frame charts, right? So the 4-hour, daily, weekly, right? And that all coincides with finding the draw on liquidity on the 1 hour, right? 15-minute. Where is the intraday target gonna be? It all starts from this time frame, right? The daily, weekly, and monthly time frame. I really don't look at the monthly. I focus on the week, the daily for the higher time frame draw. So what you want to do is find if we are delivering from a higher time frame key PD array, right? So whenever we're up here, right, we're at all-time highs. How are you going to frame a reversal from up here to target lower, right? As you see, we did come down here and deliver to this low by a few ticks. And how can you understand that we are going to be going down there? Well, if you watched my candles as ranges, you can identify, okay, so we had if we're using this candle as our range, we have had a sweep of the high, a close within. So what aligns with the weekly chart, the 4-hour, right? So are we displacing from that weekly high on the 4-hour chart to then go to this low down here? Yes, we are, right? Turtle soup, and then we displace even lower to come target this low, right? And then you can head to your daily and say, okay, the 4 hours displacing, right? Now you want to understand is, okay, is the daily coming into a PD array to frame an intraday reversal if we are coming higher and then we want to go lower, right? So we are aligned with higher time frame order flow, right? We flipped order flow up here on that 4-hour chart, and it is also confirmed by what? An SMT, right? If we want to go to the ES, we can see ES up here was taking out that high, and then followed on the NQ, we did not, right? So we have an SMT confirmation up here. We have a weekly CRT up here, right? We took out the high, closed within. The low came next. Displacement on the 4-hour was confirming that, right? So, so then you want to say, okay, is the daily coming into a PD array? Yes. Right here we have a SMT, right? We had an SMT right here with the ES, so we're going to continue, right? And then we come into what? A daily fair value gap, and then we deliver straight to this low, right? So have we hit a higher time frame key PD array? Yes, we have an old low, right? So now the weekly has delivered us lower, right? So now what you want to do is say, okay, well, we just delivered to a weekly low. Is it confirmed that we can reverse with an SMT? Yes, it is. We have an SMT at this low, right? We have an SMT at this low right here on the ES. ES has taken it, and Q has not taken it. Check mark, right? So now we could flip order flow back to bullish, right? But what do you want to wait for? Well, you want to wait for structure, right? As you see right here, we are creating structure on the 4-hour chart, and we displace, right? We're displacing now. This is whenever you say, okay, 4-hour fair value gap. If it gets respected, we are flipping order flow. As you see, come in here, flip bullish, take out this high. Displacement through highs, higher time frame key level, the 4-hour. This is where your intraday bias is coming into play, right? Come in, fill that out, deliver higher, right? Displacement up, fair value gap, deliver to these highs, right? Which is also, let's remove all this high up here. So now what do you want to do, right? Now we have taken a high on the daily chart, right? So now we have taken buy side. So what do we wait for? Wait for structure, right? You want to wait for structure. Is the 4-hour displacing above this high? Well, yeah, yeah, right here it did. We delivered to this high. Displacement through these highs? No. Displacement lower, right? Breaking structure. We now have a 4-hour fair value gap, right? 4-hour fair value gap, deliver lower. Displacement, 4-hour fair value gap, deliver lower. Then we form an SMT at all these highs up here, including this one. As I said, use SMT as your confirmation that we could deliver lower, right? So SMT with all these highs up here, displacement lower. Turtle super high, 4-hour fair value gap, deliver lower, right? So now, where are we delivering to, right? We disrespected this. Are we delivering to a key PD array? Yeah, we are, right? Rejection block, right? OTE, oops, OTE of this swing. Tap OTE. Now, this rejection block, if you don't use rejection blocks, that's fine. Go to the daily. Your rejection block turns into an order block on the lower time frame. Key PD array? Yeah. 4-hour chart. Slow move higher, displacement higher. Ding, ding, ding. This is where light switches go off. Is it confirmed with an SMT? Yes, it is. We have an SMT at this low down here. Displacement higher, flipping order flow. Right? Respect, deliver. Fair value gap. Let's just drag this out. Fair value gap. Respect, respect, respect. Deliver to these highs. Displacement higher. Right? This is all you have to do to identify the draw on liquidity on the higher time frames. Are we delivering to a key PD array, creating structure, confirming with an SMT, displacing away? Light switch goes off, right? This is literally all you need to understand the draw on liquidity on the higher time frames. If you understand where the draw on liquidity is on the higher time frames, that's whenever you go to your hourly chart, say, okay, well, I'm bullish. Bang. This is going to be turtle soup. Displace higher, right? This was overnight session, so kind of sucks, but it is what it is, right? So you come in this day, right? Come in this day, fair value gap, deliver higher. This is literally it, right? We're in bullish order flow. Fair value gap, right? This is that 4-hour. Come into it, these highs are going to be the draw, right? Deliver to these highs. SMT down here, this is going to give you your setup on the lower time frame. Deliver to these highs, right? But remember, this day we weren't sure yet. We weren't sure if the order flow was going to flip or if we were going to continue bearish order flow until this was confirmed right here with this displacement. So what do? This is going to be your turtle soup. Deliver lower, taking out all these lows, forming an SMT. Then you flip your bias to say, okay, probably going to start delivering to all these highs throughout here, right? Right here, right before market opens, take out a high. Right here, boom, turtle soup, deliver to this low, right? Candles or ranges right here. Takes out this high, delivered to the low of that candle, right? Right here, still, right? Still bearish order flow. Sell the highs, buy the lows, right? This is going to be your turtle soup. We don't quite get to that low. I'm guessing there's an SMT there. 5th of September. 5th of September. Yep, SMT at that low. Boom. Right? Right here. Maybe. Oh, wait. Yeah, there is an SMT. There is an SMT. Market opens right here. What do? Fair value gap. Distribute lower. Right? So this is how you're finding your draw on liquidity, right? All you have to do, if we're in bearish order flow, all that you need is a swing high or a fair value gap tapped into on the 4-hour chart. Soup it, take it to the lows. Short the highs, buy the lows, right? Right here, 6 a.m. Oh, I remember this. I took this trade, right? We're using this candle as our range. We took out a swing high. We actually formed an SMT up here, right? We formed an SMT. Short to this low. This is it. This is all you need to do. Hit that key level, 4-hour fair value gap, right? But once again, what are we? We're still in bearish order flow. So what do? All you have to do is right here. Take out this high. We take out that high. Go to the 5-minute. Right here. This is it. Take out this high, short it. Down to that fair value gap. All you need is a 4-hour level. This is it. This is all you need to find your draw on liquidity. Right? Right here, we're in a lower time frame seek and destroy, right? Take the high, take the low, take the high, don't quite deliver to this low, maybe an SMT, take the high, take the low. This is it, right? Short these highs, take it to the lows. Short these highs, take it to the lows. We have an SMT down here. We're waiting for the confirmation. Displacement, boom, flip your bias, right? Flip your bias right here. Where's 10 a.m.? Right here. Boom. Go to the lower time frame. 5 minute. 9:30. Is there an SMT down here? I don't know. There's not. This low doesn't need to be taken anyway. Wait. Go to the 15 minute. I bet there is an SMT right here. 9 a.m. Yep, SMT right there. Right? 4 hour fair value gap. You're flipping your bias. We've displaced. Buy right here. Take it to these highs. Buy the lows, sell the highs. This is it. This is all you need. Go to your 4 hour chart intraday. Identify a key level. Identify the order flow. If we're in bullish order flow, right? We have an SMT down here. It was then confirmed that we are going to start flipping order flow with this displacement. Tap into it. Buy the low. Buy the low of the open, right? Once it's black, buy. Boom. Right here. Displacement. Is there an SMT up here? I'm not sure. Yes. SMT right there. Right? 6 a.m. Takes out these highs. SMT right there. Go to your 5 minute. Right here. This is your turtle soup. Right? We have an SMT with this high up here. Turtle soup. Go to your 1 minute. Find your entry. Right? All you have to do right here. Measure out that. Come into OTE right there on this candle. Right? This candle right here comes into OTE. Delivers lower. Buy the lows. You're selling up here. You're buying down here. That's how easy it is to find the draw on liquidity on the 4 hour plus, right? Key level. That's it. And then whenever you're on the lower time frame, you're going to keep that in you're going to keep it in your mind. Say, okay, we're in bearish order flow. Just took out these highs. Now we have a turtle soup on the lower time frame. Short. Wait for OTE on this candle. Short. Buy it lower. Simple. I'm out of here. Join the free Discord. Peace.